Assalamualaikum. So I will share our project. So first, open our previous project. In my case, so open the geometry. Okay, to create the pin in the middle of the hole. Okay, so refer to plane XY, XY plane. Okay, so as we want to create a pin in the middle here, first you must create the new plane. So go to create new plane for XY plane. This XY plane. Type. So we will from the plane. This is the plane. XY plane. Right. So offset reverse. Okay. Offset set. Sorry. So as we want to have the 50 millimeter of pin, so our offset is 20. Okay. So our new plane is, okay, move here, sorry, so we make it negative. Okay, you can see. So our new plane is at this region, so at the back here. Then you can generate. This is our new plane. Okay. Then we can add the sketching. Okay. So first of all, we can refer to this axis. Okay, so now we want to draw a polygon, sorry, a circle. So simply like before, you can write anything first. Okay, then we change the dimension. So for example, the locations is between here and here, and between here and here. Okay, then change the values. So D1 it is 25, H is 100, V is 50. To get it is in the middle. Okay, then have a look first. Okay, so our drawing at the plane, the new plane. Okay, so then we go to extrude. For extrude, okay, we can choose this one. Okay, but before that you have to click here, frozen. Okay, then the direction as the length is 50. For this one, maybe we write it as 50 or negative 50. It depends on your direction. I think it is negative 50. Okay, then we generate. Oh, sorry, is it 50? And try to generate. Allah, different direction. Let's us double check. Okay, it's wrong direction, so you change the plane. Sketch. The values is okay. So 50. So actually this is not in the middle. Okay, so to make it in the middle, 50, 30. Maybe it is a 30. Want to make the pin in the middle. Okay, generate. Okay, so you get it is in the middle here. Okay, then again generate. So from here you will find it is the two part and two bodies. Okay, so you can save it. For my case, I want to save it as a new file. Okay, so go back to this one, save as. Okay, tutorial to video. This is for me, it's up to you. Okay, then go back to the modular. Okay, double check. So you have everything. Okay, next go to bench and click model. Okay, yes. Okay, so we have the model here. So let's have a look again. Okay, for some rotation and so on. So now we want to add the connection here. Okay, so to do that, go to model. Sorry. Okay, so we have a connection here. Okay, right click, insert manual region. Okay, so we want to define it is as a bonded. Okay, so bonded, first we select the contact. Okay, we have to select the contact at the solid part, while the pin in the middle is the target. Okay, so if you get confused, okay, we can go here, both are solid, so we can rename this one as pin. Okay, so connection, so this one y is double, so I delete one. Okay, so for our part, so contact, apply, so we want to select selection, so at the first pin, right click, hide body. Okay, so connection, contact, we apply, choose the surface, pump, apply. Okay, while for target, okay, so we change. Okay, so we make the solid high and the pin axis. Okay, so this part is the target. Apply. Okay, so then show all bodies, so we have the deals. Next is material. Okay, we have the structural material here. Okay, so far we proceed with that. We have the connection, then mesh as usual, insert mesh, generate mesh. So it is a auto mesh. Okay, then go for fixed support. Okay, so far we have there and also force here, and for the new part, so we insert the fixed support again. Okay, refer to the problem, so this time we select this area. Okay, then apply. Okay, so far we have almost complete decisions. Okay, but I think the pin we still not assign the material, so this one select structural steel. Okay, so when everything is okay, so just soft. Okay, same is okay. So go for your solution. Bam. Okay, you get the results. Okay, that's all. Have a try. You should try this. Okay, bye.